How to easily sign out YouTube account on mobile. Hello everyone. Leaving yourself logged in can allow strangers to access your account, which is never good. If you know you won't be YouTubing again for a while, go ahead and sign out when you're done. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign out YouTube account on mobile in this latest YouTube update, whether you're using it on Android or iOS. To begin, open the YouTube app on mobile devices. So, once it is open, tap on your YouTube profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you select that, you'll be brought to this page here. Now go and tap on the gear settings icon at the top right of the screen. From here, select Accounts. In this page, it will display all your account that associated with YouTube account. At the bottom, you'll see Add Account. Use YouTube Signed Out and manage accounts on this device. Just select and tap on Use YouTube Signed Out. Below here, it states that you're now using YouTube Signed Out. When you log out of YouTube, you'll still be able to search and view videos, but you won't be able to comment or add them to playlists. So, if you tap on your avatar on the bottom right here, it says enjoy your favorite videos, sign in to access videos that you've liked or saved. And then you can go ahead and sign in with your account. So that's how you sign out YouTube account on mobile and getting back into your account. If you have any questions about this, you can leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.